Hey everybody, Christian Merwin here today to talk to you about the Honeybird Delux. This, in my estimation, is the most perfect nectar collector. You know, I can say that because I invented it, so I hope you guys agree. In the box we have the Honeybird Delux core, we have the Parabolic bird feeder dish, we have the collector protector tip protector, and we have the threaded quartz tip. All right, let's get this out of the way. So all the nectar collectors are spill-proof, water-cooled devices, and so we gotta get some water in here. The easiest way to do that, have your handy shot glass and suck some water in there. Check out that action. That bubble's good. All right, if you feel a little bit too full, the easiest way to get the water out is to just blow on it and squirt a little water out. These work best when the water's filled about halfway up the inner diffuser chamber there, so this is pretty good. Next step is we thread the tip on and have your product in the dish like this. Heat the tip and dip and sip. When you're done, you can put the tip protector on it while the tip's still hot and put it away, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.